Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In today's video you will learn possible solutions that will help in fixing battery drain issue in Windows 11. The first method is to check update. Sometimes bad battery performance can result from the Windows version you are currently using. You will have to update the system to latest version to fix the problem. Here is how you can do that. First of all, you need to click on the start button and then select settings. Now here on the left side you need to switch Windows Update. And on the right side you need to click on check for updates button, and Windows will look for and download any available update. After downloading the update, check if there is any improvement in the battery performance or not. Second solution is to turn off fast startup feature. Windows 11 comes with a fast startup feature. You can enable it to reduce the system boot time, but on the negative side, this feature consumes a lot of battery resources. Offer the fast boot feature. You can try disabling this feature to improve your battery performance. Here is how you can do that. So first of all, you need to click on the search icon available on the taskbar, and then you need to type control panel. When control panel app appear in the search results, you need to open it. After that, you need to select power options. Here on the left side, you need to select choose what power buttons do. Now on this page, you need to click on this change settings that are currently unavailable. And under shutdown settings, you need to uncheck the box for turn on fast startup recommended. Click on save changes. After that, you need to reboot your system to apply the changes and check if there is an improvement in the battery performance. The third method is to close unnecessary background running applications. Unnecessary background running applications have long history of consuming system and battery resources. As such, try closing all such applications and see if this improves the battery performance. And here is how you can do that. So first of all, you need to right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager from the context menu. Now under background processes, you need to look for the processes that are consuming lots of CPU. Right now my system is running perfect, but for an example, let's turn off this process, adopt content synchronizer, and for that you need to right click and then select end task, and that's it. Following this procedure, try closing all such applications and see if this improves the battery performance. The fourth method is to switch to dark theme. Windows 11 offers both light and dark themes, but the light theme consumes comparatively more power than the dark theme. So it is recommended to use dark theme on Windows 11 to reduce battery consumption. And here is how you can do that. So right click on the desktop and then select personalize. Now on this setting page you need to select colors, and using the choose your mode drop down you need to select dark, and that's it. Once done, this will definitely improve battery consumption. Method 5. Run Power Troubleshooter. Windows 11 comes with a lot of built-in troubleshooting features. You can use the Power Troubleshooter to look for and resolve any battery-related issue. Here is how you can run the Power Troubleshooter on Windows 11. So click on the search icon and type troubleshoot. Now here you need to select troubleshoot settings option. Now on this setting page you need to select other troubleshooters. Now you will get the list of all the troubleshooter available on Windows 11. You scroll down, and once you find Power Troubleshooter, click on the run button. The Power Troubleshooter window will open up and look for the issues. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix the problem. Once done, reboot the system and observe if it improves the battery life. Method 6. Change the refresh rate. The system refresh rate indicates the speed at which the screen refreshes. If the system is configured to offer a higher refresh rate, it will consume more power. So if there is not any use, you can lower the refresh rate to increase the battery performance. Here is how you can do that. Click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Now on the left side you need to select system. Then on the right side select display. On this setting page you need to scroll down under related settings and select advanced display. Now here you will find the option choose a refresh rate, and using the drop down select the lower refresh rate. You can see that the current one is 60 Hz, and depending on your requirement you can select 48 Hz. In case you have 90 Hz monitor, then try to set the refresh rate to 60 Hz instead of 48 Hz. Once done, restart your computer and check if this improves the battery life. Method 7. Change the power plan. Windows 11 lets you configure the battery performance as per the task you are about to perform. You will have to set the power plan to efficiency mode to receive the best battery performance from system. Here is how you can change the power plan on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to launch setting app, and for that you need to click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. On the left side you need to select system, and then on the right side you need to select power and battery. Here under power section you will find this option power mode. Using the drop down you need to select best power efficiency option. The system will offer a comparatively better battery backup by compromising the overall system performance. Method 8. Enable battery saver. Windows 11 comes with a battery saver feature that you can enable to restrict higher battery consumption. Here is how you can enable this feature. So again you need to open the setting app and then select system on the left side, and then on the right side you need to select power and battery. Now on this setting page you need to head over to battery section. Under this you will find this option battery saver. Select it. You need to click on this turn on now button next to battery saver. After you enable battery saver option in Windows 11, system will try to save as much battery it can. Apart from this, you can also enable or disable battery saver feature from quick setting panel. The last method in our list is change the video playback settings. You can change the video playback setting to increase battery performance. Here is how you can do that. So again you need to open the setting app. Now switch to app section on the left side, and then on the right side you need to select video playback. Now here on this setting page you will find this option battery options. Using the drop down you need to select optimize for battery life. Now after doing this you need to restart your computer to apply the changes. And once done, the system will start consuming comparatively less battery. So that's it guys, this is how you can fix battery drain issue in Windows 11. These are possible solutions which you can apply to fix battery drain issue in Windows 11. Why don't you try these solutions and let me know in the comments which works for you. Also, if you know any other solution, feel free to share in the comments as well. At last, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.